Hi, this is Max and Ryan, and we're going to introduce our first fabrication class, which is rolling knight. Basically, a rolling knight is a pair of objects that can interact with each other. When the ball rolls on the tray, the light on the tray will follow the ball. Yeah, and so next I will have Max to introduce the ball.
So the ball consists of a heart rate sensor, a battery, and a microcontroller. And the ball can read the heart rate of the person that's holding the ball. When it reads the heart rate, it can change the color to blink according to the heart rate. When the ball detects no heart rate, it turns to blue.
And next, I will introduce you how will the two objects interact with each other. So, when I place the ball on the placeholder on the tray, it will like this. As you can see, the color on both objects' LED ring or bells is kind of resonate with each other. It's kind of rainbow night. And that's the interaction. Thank you.